All right, in this video, what I want you to do is take a look at the very last page of the lesson, and I want you to work through this all on your own. Part A is going to be what we've been working on in this lesson. B and C are going to be some stuff we've done in the past. So go ahead, pause that, come back when you're done, and I'll go through this. All right, so this very last question for the state step. U is the true mean score of all Atlanta eighth. I just abbreviated Atlanta wrong, but that's okay. Graders on this tutor. So for the plan step for the center, it was a random sample of 1470. Variability 1470 is less than 10% of all eighth graders in Atlanta. The shape, normal large sample. Our sample size is at least 30, so the temperature limit theorem applies. Conditions are met. We're going to do a one sample T interval. The degrees of freedom, 1,469. All right, so sample mean they told us was 240. Sample standard deviation they told us. This critical T value came from doing inverse T of 0.005 with 1,469 degrees of freedom. So the confidence interval ends up being 237.16 to 242.84. Conclusion, we are 99% confident that the interval from that to that captures the true mean score for all Atlanta eighth graders to this score. Part B, based on your interval from A, is there good evidence that the mean is less than the basic level? A score of 243 is basic. So yes, because all plausible values in the confidence interval, and I need to explicitly state what that is. That's a poor job on my part. Remember, these are plausible values, 242.84, are below 243. So we do have convincing evidence that this mean score for the Atlanta eighth graders is below that basic level. And then part C, confidence level, that's your capture rate for many, many, many random samples. So if the sampling process is repeated many, many times, about 99% of the intervals created are going to capture the true mean score of all Atlanta eighth graders on this TUDA exam. Okay, so that's section 8.3. Hopefully that made a lot of sense, and it's just building out what we did with categorical variables with a couple small tweaks.